Hello everyone, I'm Ritwik Math and this is the BunnySubs project that I have built for the Stack Jam Bunny Shell Hackathon. So when you visit the application, you will first encounter an prompt where you have to provide your email. Like I am giving an arbitrary email, right? John Doe gmail.com. Okay. So once I provide that email, it will do, it will make an API call to the backend and create a JWT token. So this is done for one reason. When you will use this application as a backend service, like a subscription service in your microservices, you can just provide the environment variable where you can mention the JWT secret key you are using right here, this one. So secret key you are using. So using that, the application can later decode what is the email of the user that you are trying to create subscription for. So this is done this way. So everyone can use this piece of software in their individual microservices. So this is not inclusive to this project only. Right now you can see there is the option of create, like there is already a plan. So what I will do, I will create another plan, like I will name it a pro and the amount will be like $30. Okay, so this is Stripe. So initially this project, the MVP work on Stripe only, and the idea is to create like subscription PayPal as well. So this plan has to be in Stripe and PayPal both. So this is right now disabled, but later as the development further goes, this will be active. For now, we are creating the plan. We'll wait a bit. So there is the pop-up that has been created, and this is done. And also one thing, this is whole vanilla JavaScript. Okay, there is no framework has been used because the purpose of this application solely is to work with other services in a microservice environment where we don't need this kind of things, because the UI will be within the application, main application. So this is just to give a brief and demo of how the whole subscription works. So there are two plans you can see. So we will come into the subscription section. Now we have stored our token against an email, but we didn't register this user into the payment gateway. So to do that, I will uh, give a name, John Doe, select like United States. Okay, so save as a customer. So customer is saved. So as you can see, as we have got the this value, this means the Stripe in this the customer is already stored in Stripe, and this is the customer ID sent from the Stripe. Great. So as there is no subscription for this customer, there are two options that is fetched from the plan page. You can see Premium and Pro, $20 and $30. This is also Premium and Pro. The currency is here. The gateway is mentioned here. So what we'll do, we'll select. So one thing that I have made unique is that based on this gateway mentioned, this subscription for this customer will be created. So it's not that like if we are using Stripe and PayPal, both the gateways in this application, that if you create a subscription will be created for both gateways. It will be created based on the gateway you had mentioned in the plan. Okay, so I will give the CCC something arbitrary. So this is a Stripe test card. You can search in Google like list of Stripe test card, and you will get a lot of options there, list there. So everything is set. I will click on create subscription and wait for a bit. It's processing. So subscription is created. As you can see, the subscription is already created. So there is no need for create another subscription, because in most of the applications, users are in active, when user is in active subscription, there is option for upgrade, that is the future scope of this project, but there will be no option for creating a new subscription, so that is obsolete. Right now we are trying to cancel, so this is interesting. This is cancel and the page is different, so you can see that it is showing 8th August. Okay, so this means that it is ending on the period end. So basically what happens is major application is that when users cancel their subscription gets cancelled at the period end because they have already paid the amount for the subscription and organizations want to use them instead of refunding. So this idea has been used here for that, and as the subscription has ended, to show that new subscription can be created for that, because it's not logically matching with what I had told, but just to show that new subscription can be created after the subscription ends. What I can do, I can now select a pro plan maybe and use the same card here, stored card. Now I will click on create subscription, and it's ready. No, see, new subscription has been created. So the logic would have been we should have wait for this one to end, but we don't have that much of 1 month of time for waiting, so I just showcase this flow here as well. So this is the whole project, guys, and to use this in your microservice, what you can do, you have to just create this add these environments. Right now I am using a PostgreSQL DB, okay, within this environment, but it's not necessary that you use this as well. You can use any remote database as well. Just in that case you have to provide the uh, correct like user, host, DB, this data perfectly, and the stripe is have to be your stripe. This is a test environment, so here is test, but in case of live, that will be live, and the JWT secret key, and you will be ready to use this application in your projects. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you. And one more thing, you can also log out from this application. So once you log out, it will ask for email address. If you give the same email address, you will see the same subscription plans. But if you create a ad with a new email address, so you have to do, like, you have to create, add the customer in Stripe and create the subscription and do all the things again. Okay, so that's for all the project. I hope for the best. Thank you.